HTC is back with the U12 Plus. They're a big screen phone. It has a 6-inch display with a Quad HD Plus resolution. And actually this year, HTC isn't even going to make a smaller version, so it's just the U12 Plus for now. Design-wise, it's very similar to the U11 Plus. Honestly, you'll have a hard time telling them apart, even if they're side by side. The big change this year is 2 front-facing 8-megapixel cameras. And that basically just allows you to get the bokeh effect for selfies, or if you're doing video calls or something like that. There's no stabilization, unfortunately, but it's still a big step up from before. And on the back, you've got 12-megapixel and 16-megapixel cameras that'll give you a 2x optical zoom with stabilization, and also a decent amount of bokeh effect too. HTC is really sticking with the design it had last year, so the case is pretty much all metal and glass, and there's one color, translucent blue, that actually gives you a bit of a look inside the phone too. That's kind of a nice effect and something you won't find